Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by closing Coreldraw and backing up any custom templates or macros. This protects work you may need. Once done, make sure you know the exact Coreldraw version and that you have administrator rights to change system folders. Now open File Explorer and navigate to your user profile's app data or program data for older installs where Corel stores settings. You're preparing the environment so the reset affects only defaults and not irreplaceable assets. Proceed when those items are safely copied. You will now reset preferences by renaming or moving preference files rather than deleting them. This lets you restore if needed. Once done, check for files like Coreldraw, XML, workspace, DAT or similar in the settings folder and change their extension to old. If your version includes a preferences reset command or a startup key, hold F8/Shift while launching. Use it to force a fresh configuration. Make sure to also clear recent file lists and cache folders so stale settings do not return. Restart Coreldraw. The program will regenerate default preference files and workspace layouts. You should verify toolbars, color palettes, and default templates are reset to factory settings, and then re-import any trusted custom templates or macros you backed up earlier. If the application does not behave correctly, try creating a new Windows user profile or remove remaining Corel settings and perform a clean reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: if tools or palettes still misbehave, delete the regenerated pref files and repeat the reset while observing error messages for clues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.